Hello, what's up guys? My name is Gazanfar and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own blog post template using Elementor and Elementor Pro. In the next video I'll be going to show you how you can create a custom sidebar in Elementor and Elementor Pro. So if you are excited to learn about this, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to this post section in your dashboard and make sure that you have at least 3 blog posts already published into this section. And the next thing that you need to do is to click on this templates and then click on this add new. From here you will choose the single post and you can name it anything that you want. I'll name it as single post template. And then you'll click on create template. Once the Elementor tab will finish loading, we will start designing our single post template. I don't want to choose any of these pre-built templates because we're going to create our own template. So I'll close this and I'll click on this plus icon to add a new section. I'll choose single column section and I'll click on this advanced tab and I'll add 5% padding on the top, or probably 5% padding on the top, on the bottom, or maybe 7% padding, 8% padding on the top. Then I'll choose this post title. Once the title will loaded, I'll align it into the center and then I'll stylize this. Now if you don't know how to stylize the things or widgets in Elementor, I will have a complete playlist on this. You may go to my channel and watch that playlist. Now the next thing after the title, I'll add post excerpt in here and I'll align it into the center. And once again, I will increase its font size. Once that is done, what I want is to add a static image below this. For that, I want my image to be full width, so I'll choose the full width section and then I'll grab an image widget and I'll choose the image. I already have uploaded the image, so I'll choose the image and paste it here. Now you may notice that we have this 100 pixel padding on all the 4 sides of this widget. So in order to remove that, what you will do is to click on this edit section and then you will click on this column gap and click on no gap. Once you will click on no gap, all of the padding will automatically be removed. Now you may notice that our image is not full size. So for that, you will click on this image size and click on full. And now you can see that our image is of full size. After that, what we want is to add another section, and once again I'll add some padding on the top and on the bottom, and after that I'll add the post content into it. And now our post content is loaded in here. It is just a quick tutorial, so I'm not focusing more on designing the content part of this blog post. Rather, I'm focusing on showing you guys that how you can create your own single post template size. So once that is done, I'm fine with this. If you want, you can add the comment sections below this using the widgets in here, but I don't want any of those things, so I'll keep it simple as it is now. And then what you'll have to do is to click on this publish, and from here you will have to choose a condition. Click on this add condition. Do not choose all singular because this post template will apply to all the pages on your website. Rather, click on this posts, and by choosing this, the particular template will only apply to the blog posts on your website. Once that is done, click on save and close, and now our template is loaded on our website. Now what I'll do is to go to dashboard again, and now I want to add one page for the blog posts. So I'll click on this add new, and I'll name the page as blog, and I'll choose the template as Elementor full width, and I'll click on publish. Once that is done, I'll click on this edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor will loaded, I will once again create single column section, and in here I'll actually open the navigator. In the navigator I want to drop some padding, probably 5% on top and 5% on the bottom, and then I'll choose this image widget. Once again I'll keep it as full size image, and I want to use this image as the background of blog post. Now once again you may notice that there is padding or overflow in here, so I'll reduce the column gap to no gap. Now we have no gap in here, and I want the content width to be full width. Now this is full width section, and what I can do is to actually remove these paddings from here. This will actually look like this. After that, what I can do is to create a new single column section. I'll add some padding in here, say 5% on top and 5% on bottom, and I'll search for a widget named posts from Elementor Pro. I want the skin type to be cards, just like this, and I want the 3 columns layout. I want 6 posts to be appear on the page. Currently we have 3 posts, that is why we are only seeing these 3 posts. I want to show the images. I don't need any masonry grids. Image sizes are fine, image ratio is good, title is fine, excerpt is fine. I don't need this comment section and the date section in here, and I want this read more section. Batch is fine, and I don't need this avatar. When this is done, we can play around with some styling. Card is fine. For the images, I may increase some border radius to something like 15 pixels, and for the cards, something like 15 pixels. Now for the content, I want the titles to be of Nonito, and their sizes to be of 700, and the color to be green, just like this. And for the read more button, I want the color to be dark green, and the font size is fine. And the last thing, that is badge, it should be here. Here we have badge. So the badge position, we can keep it here on the left line, and we want the background color to be, let's say, green with a white background. That is looking fine, and we can click on this update. I'll once again go to dashboard, and now I'll need to add this page into my navigation menus. So I'll go to appearance and then menus, and from here I'll choose this blog page and add it to the menu, and from here I'll paste it here and remove the custom link. Now if I go to the front end of my website, I'll click on this blog. So you can see our template that we have created is loaded here. Now if I click on this any of these posts, you can notice that the blog template that we have created is already showing here. So this is how you can create your own blog post template and blog page using Elementor and Elementor Pro. If you like this video and learned something new, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and share the videos with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.